Please don't be wasting my time with that business. Who you kidding, man? Yeah. Whoa, yeah, swear to God, I'm with it. I don't.
Peace, lovies. It is OMG Product Reviews doing another natural home products review to me. Today it's just me, Amira, and I am reviewing the dryer balls. We're reviewing balls today. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I can't help it, actually. We're reviewing balls. We are reviewing balls though today. I mean, that's what we're reviewing, balls. Okay? Anyway, dryer balls, in case you don't know, sort of take the place of fabric softener sheets. I've been using them now for, I would say, about 2 years. And I don't know, I got mixed feelings about dryer balls. There's all kinds of different brands, so they're all made the same. Honestly, it doesn't even matter what brand you get. As far as I'm concerned, just get some dryer balls. They got them everywhere. They're in the health food stores. They're Whole Foods probably has them. Definitely Amazon. You can find these pretty much all over the place, But anyway, so these are some new ones because I swap them out. Okay, so actually let me show you that. So these are brand new ones because I swap them out every so often just because I don't know, because it seems like you should. So, and these are old ones. So if you can see the difference, I don't know if you really can, but yeah, that's the difference. Let me see, hopefully you can see it. Yeah, so these have been in there for a while, and all you do is pop them in there, throw your clothes in there, and dry, And what it does, it helps your clothes to dry quicker. It helps your clothes not to get all clumped together where they take so long to dry. So, it's alleged that it brings your energy bill down because you don't have to run the dryer as long because your clothes dry quicker. So I don't know, honestly, like, giving my honest opinion, because these are about honest reviews, I don't really feel like my clothes dry any quicker. I mean, I don't know, I'm not really seeing that my clothes dry quicker. The other thing is, I don't really I miss, okay, my cat is, I don't know if she's trying to be in the video or what. I miss having the scent of the dryer sheets. Now you can definitely put some drops of essential oil on your dryer balls and then throw them in the dryer, but I've done that, and you have to do it for each load. Like, if you put some essential oil, it's not going to last you for several loads of drying. You're not going to be able to do it. You're going to literally have to put a fresh drops of essential oil on it after each load. And I'm not going to say you need like 1 or 2 drops. You're going to need at least, I'm like 6 drops or so of essential oil just all over the dryer balls, and that will definitely help your clothes if you're into your clothes having like this fresh wash scent, which I'm so into that. And I kind of miss that about the dryer sheets. The dryer sheet smell all in my clothes and stuff, and I don't really get that when I use the dryer balls. I would say the best thing I do like about the dryer balls is that the clothes don't kind of get all tangled all into, especially like sheets and stuff, you know what I mean? Like the sheets get all tangled all and stuff like that. Now, I'm not saying they don't get tangled at all, but it's definitely less than it would, because I guess the dryer balls are bouncing all around, all in there and stuff. And so, oh, the noise. Now, okay, we're going to demonstrate the noise because it is noisy. I'm sorry, these dryer balls are noisy as hell. Let's see. Okay, I don't know if you all can hear it. If you hear that bump, 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 like that noise, yeah, it's like someone's playing baseball in your dryer. It's kind of noisy. Yeah, we're not about to be having the rest of this video with that. It's loud, okay? So beware that if you're gonna use these, it's super loud. That part I'm not sure I like that much. I keep using these though, because I just tried everything I can to cut down on all the chemical stuff all over the place and all up and through, you know, in everything I do in every aspect of my life. So I do keep using these dry balls for that purpose, because, you know, I don't know, it's better, I guess, for me than the dryer sheets. Comment below if you know of a natural dryer sheet that really does have the nice fresh laundry scent that we all love about doing laundry. It's this, I love the smell. Like, I don't like to do laundry, but I do like when my house smells like fresh laundry, you know. So if you all know of a natural dryer sheet brand that we can review and that we can try, please let us know in the comments below. Share it with us all. I would love to know. But for right now, I will say I'm sticking with the dry balls. I give them I gotta say about I would give them four hearts, because it's just not, you know, I don't know, I like this scent, you know. If it had that, it would be all the way for me, and I didn't have to keep reapplying the essential oil, because I'm not going to remember that every time I got to swap out and put a new load in there. I'm not going to keep remembering that, oh, I got to put more essential oil. It's just too many steps, and I got too much other stuff going on. So for that reason, I have to give it just a 4 hearts. So anyway, I will see you all next time. Thank you so much for joining us. If you have not already done so, be sure to subscribe to our channel and tell all your friends, all your natural loving friends, all your tree hugging friends, all your vegan friends, all your veggie friends, all your friends that just want a nice, healthier lifestyle. Tell them all about it. Give us a shout out. Give us a thumbs up for this video. We will continue to bring you natural product reviews on home and lifestyle natural products that we've tried. Because we don't just tell you something we've tried it only once. We've been using these things for like a long time. Okay? So we're giving you a review based on that, and knowing long term how these things work. Okay, so definitely give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and we're also on Instagram. Be sure to follow us there at OMG Product Reviews, and we will see you next week. Thank you so much for joining us. Love you, love you, love ya. See you next time. Mwah. Peace.